5 tips rich people tell why you can't get rich. If you want to get rich, follow these 5 tips. Here are 5 key habits that wealthy individuals often practice, which can contribute to building wealth. Embrace a growth mindset, continuous learning. Wealthy individuals often prioritize lifelong learning. They seek knowledge, skills, and experiences to improve themselves and their businesses. Resilience. They view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learn from their mistakes. Openness to change. They are adaptable and embrace new ideas and technologies. Prioritize financial literacy. Understanding money. They have a solid grasp of personal finance, including budgeting, investing, and debt management. Smart spending. They make conscious spending decisions, avoiding impulse purchases and prioritizing long-term goals. Investing wisely. They allocate their money to various assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to diversify their portfolio and maximize returns. Cultivate multiple income streams. Diversification. They don't rely solely on a single source of income. Passive income. They explore opportunities to generate income without active involvement, like rental properties, dividends, or royalties. Side hustles. They may start part-time businesses or freelance work to supplement their primary income. Build strong relationships. Networking. They actively build and maintain relationships with like-minded individuals. Mentorship. They seek guidance from experienced mentors and coaches. Collaboration. They collaborate with others to achieve shared goals. Practice delayed gratification. Long-term focus. They prioritize long-term goals over short-term pleasures. Saving and investing. They consistently save and invest a portion of their income. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. They resist the urge to increase their spending as their income grows. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and a strategic approach. By incorporating these habits into your life, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success.